So these are popsicle molds. I'm just recapping using food coloring and glycerin. We're gonna make, and popsicle sticks, we're gonna make some really cool soap, so hang on.
So I just took some glycerin. This is what it looks like, glycerin, like cubes. Chopped it up, melted it in the microwave so that it turns to a liquid like this. And we're gonna add it to the colors. All right. So cool. So once you've done that, you're going to start layering your soap into the mold. To make the rainbow gradient. Okay, so this has been sitting in the freezer overnight, and still it's still sort of icy. Just gonna wiggle it to loosen it, and it should just pop right out. And then you have a rainbow soap-cicle. So cool.
Ooh, so fun to wash our hands now.